Well, good morning, everybody. To really give you a sense of just how unusual this air mass is that's on the way, that's going to bring us those below average temperatures, we got to look at tomorrow's forecast. We are forecasting a high of 80 degrees. The all-time coldest high temperature for the day in Bowling Green on Saturday is 78. So we're going to take a run at this, possibly. And the fact that we're even talking about this is just, that really just goes to show you how chilly the air is that is on the way. Now, you look at temperatures over the next couple of days, every day is going to be below average. And look at these numbers this weekend. Barely even registering on our chart here. That's how chilly that they are going to be. I mean, chilly's a relative word. If this were the winter time and we had this kind of a setup, we'd be talking about days of below zero temperatures. That's what we're dealing with this air mass. And rainfall. If you've got outdoor plans, you don't have to worry about having that umbrella on standby because it looks absolutely splendid across the tri-state. Also, if you're wondering about whether or not you can wash that car, you're in great shape as well. Not just today, but throughout the weekend. With that zero rain chance, it's a great opportunity to wash all the dirt, pollen, bug guts off of your ride. Now, as we take you through the rest of today, we'll start out in the 60s and 70s, rising into the lower to mid 80s by this afternoon and this evening before we cool down relatively quickly by the overnight hours. And you really won't notice anything here on Futurecast. Maybe a slight uptick in clouds as that front crosses, that secondary front, with that reinforcing shot of cooler and drier air. And even as we wake up Saturday morning, notice very comfortable conditions here, lower 60s across much of the tri-state. So humidity levels continuing to improve as we go through the day. And improve, I mean becoming more and more and more comfortable as we'll rise into the mid 80s across much of the tri-state. That's 5 to 7 degrees below average for this time of the year. Even our morning lows, upper 50s for most of us. That's 10 degrees cooler than we should be for this time of the year. And you look at the extended forecast, really couldn't ask, as I said, for a better stretch of weather. This is late September weather that we are seeing here with these highs and humidity levels. A couple of showers possible Monday evening as a weak system crosses. And then if you're headed to Louisville Thursday for the State Fair, there is a slight chance of rain.